Hey guys, Bruce Milligan here from Cell Pro Repair Solutions. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to remove the Bixby volume down and on off button from the Samsung S10. I've already taken this apart and I'm going to trust that you can review some of my other videos to figure out how to get there. I do have an S10 disassembly video, so you can just take a look at that. But I don't think in that video I touched on the how to remove the on-off buttons very well. So what we're going to do is we're just going to start by grabbing the right tools, which this will work. So this is just a little pair of tweezers here. So I'm going to start by trying to work it out here like that. And that guy pops out pretty easily, just like that. And then this guy comes out as well, but I'm gonna want to get underneath it here and just sort of remove the, there you go. So that's how that guy comes off, and those are off. And to get the buttons, if you want to switch the colors to make it kind of cool, you just kind of pop it out like that. Really what you got here is just the back, and you just sort of push on the back plastic part, and then it just pops out like that, and then they're in. All right, so I'm going to do that again. You just kind of put them in the way they came out. Like so. And then you're going to start by putting this guy in, just like that. And then this guy, you want this part up. So actually, you know what? You got to put, do you want that part up? Yes, you want that part up. Guy goes in. Yeah, there you go. And you just get it in there. Sometimes you gotta fiddle with it a little bit. There we go. So you wanna, let me show you again here. So it goes in like this side, and you actually just wanna put it behind on this side of the other one. Like so. Check the buttons, make sure they're working well, and that's good. All right, Bixby button, or sorry, this is the on-off button here. Same sort of thing. Pop this guy out like that. Pop this guy out. And there you go. Sorry, pop it out. I'm not gonna pop it all the way out because I don't want to, we've kind of already shown you there what they do, but so that comes out like so. Then that guy comes off like that. So we'll just stick that guy back on. And we're going to put this back on as well, like that, and there you go. Usually want to use a little bit of heat to get that guy off because it makes it easier. All right, guys, thanks a lot for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you can. All right, thanks.